bro.
Yeah, man, you good?
Yeah, man, everything I feel.
Yeah, man, a long time no see one like you know, bro.
When I just threw my mom lucky, you know. Kinda get tired of it, bro.
Sure.
Tired of it, you know, dog. It's like we need something better. I feel like locked down with so long. Yeah, you get me, I say? We
That
think
type-
one better girl out there. Not really like she do nothing or nothing, you know, but I just see one better girl out there for me that I know say, yo, me and her sprung, everybody go say, yo, girl, dog, man, that.
Can't happen, you know, bro, but you have to be careful, cause most of them girls are tricky fine on the streets, you know, bro. You have to be careful how you go out there go look woman, bro, cause not every woman is the same thing, bro. You
What do you mean?
understand?
What do you mean?
You feel say, them a young girl nowadays who want that man we asleep with the night time and wake up in the morning and know say alright. And she have to go do everything. Them a young
Yeah,
girl like
true.
the fast life, bro. He hype
True.
this and he hype that, go around bar and club and all these place, bro.
Which one? I understand what you say, but I know say I would find one just like she or better than she. Because this is when you not too love the party, you know.
Oh.
And he wash, cook and clean. You not too love the party, but no would find one better than she, man.
So it's a party woman you want?
Yeah, man, me I tell you, man, we can go on the road with sprung with you know, we can par it to have the same energy.
So we don't find a party woman now. Warm to mom's yard.
No, man, I would that just done.
Oh.
Moving woman now and say, yo, I'm a woman this, I'm a woman this.
That's tough,
Oh,
bro.
she a yard same way. And then, you know, yeah, me I say, me tired of them things there, you know.
So you know go out there go look for one, bro.
Alright, you never talk to a girl like that, you just get tired like.
Tired.
You
Run
just
away.
get tired of going at one same thing.
Say like come tired of my baby mother now. Tired.
Yeah, fear baby mother a different story, you know. Because when you left on the back, every minute, we can't go into that story there. Because what they tell me say, we don't know that. When I look at one that buy ice cream together, baby a go.
Bro.
I tell me about a baby birthday. Think me don't know ya? Me know say you have to slap that.
I know, but bro, the thing is, you tired of her. Said like you're tired of your woman and yard, you know. You tired of my baby mother now, you know, bro. But you see one me and more than one girl, bro, that no shape me.
Yeah, there. You're more one girl.
Yeah,
And you maintain them. So what about me? Me most can get it. A next girl, man.
Bro,
Even though me don't want to have more one of them at one time because it kind of hard to manage. Me want to have that 1 year and then me cut off it, then that 1 year. Cut off it, then that 1 year. So me want to do it.
Yeah, JPS. You just want to cut.
So, me just a cut like.
Oh.
When the service up, me just cut.
Oh, okay.
You understand? If you don't write to me, me just cut it and go through.
Boy, we have them from all 14 parish. Me no cut none.
But no girl, me a look on still that man.
But a shanty like that.
A Paul daughter, man.
Oh.
That time friend, man.
Oh.
Paul daughter. That girl, she nice, me I tell her. And one day me I watch her, man, me I admire her. She just a get nice and round up.
Say you never go send out to her.
No, for me to talk up to them, but you say me come check, you know.
Oh.
He say if you could set a link in a one way where me can just forward and say and I eat that.
Which one I link them in a chat? One
Paul
punch here and one
daughter,
punch.
Paul daughter is same friend with Shanti. She a friend with Shanti.
Oh.
You know the black
Me
man,
know how we are chat, bro, but me don't know how you want me set link. I am man. Yeah, your old
Me
man.
never yet talk up to them like that. Me always the one side when you are reason it with them. You understand? So me don't want you say yo, dog rate you know,
Yes, it's true. Me a girl is I have both man. I'm change girl like how Chuck change gear. And take girl like how Bodo step nail. I go set a link for you.
Set a link.
I go set yo, so me go call you over soon as me can set a link and set you up on it.
So we can go on today.
We no must can go on. Remember say I'm me, no brother.
Alright. Just do it right, Jimmy, yeah?
Alright, bro.
Anything you can buy one.
No, I'm not thirsty.
Alright.
I'm not thirsty.
You're good then.
I'm here at me then.
I have to go back over and now go make some. Boy, I don't even know. I shop to send me, you know. Send me to go get egg and bread and something to make tea. And I'm here look about it still, no? So me kind of grateful now.
Boy, I eat that. Are you sure if you go to shop and you?
Yeah, there. You see me, I tell you, man. So me tell them, I say, yeah. She tell me, say, dear, me forgot to shop. And she will look about it. What kind of style? You know, go on a shop, man.
No, none of my girl, my ex can send me out.
But anyway, still, let's work on that. Yeah, here we link up.
Do that thing.
Yeah.
Kind of like.
You come back. If I egg, I work.
I get more thing. I need some bread when I come back.
Take it easy, bread. What are you doing?
Let's go.
Take it off your one, so what are you doing? It's hungry?
You're hungry. We eat a couple of bread.
Oh, God.
Eat bag in it.
Let's say it's bag. Let's go to the find and go back and eat. So we can't be saying it, but we did alright. So how's the money?
Yeah.
You sleep well last night? The back start hurt, I massage your back for you.
Still look good.
But you last night did that ball for your back. Me, I want if you hurt alone.
Man.
Take that going, so.
You know, I'm going. I'm not sure for this.
Alright, take care of me and hug. You know, miss me. Me miss you, look at the other one. So I soon come back, cause if I go buy egg, I'm going to leave you on your son. I'm going to buy egg so you can eat it. Yeah? Put chop at it, go and eat it.
I'm sorry.
Alright. So come back here.
Let's do a one.
Oh, go on.
A long time you don't say no.
Me name help you.
Where you come from?
You know, I said my uncle they come from Florida and daddy send me up like a collection of food things and clothes and something.
So
Yeah.
You know, no, okay, give me.
And I'm not big. A little shopping bag. The bag don't even heavy. Don't even full.
Not even one Irish Spring.
Not even that we not get.
Anyway, Scotland story short. Is that one prayer me want to show you where one of my friends them tell me to ask you.
And what that now and I could have wish friend that now.
You don't need for it. I know all of my friends them about know bestie. Me not sure if you don't know him or what, but I know all of my friends them about know and they have money too.
Money. Me don't know none of your friend them with money.
That's why I tell us say I'm gonna know all of them. But one of them be there with money, them say to tell us that she like you.
When know me from feel like me?
You must know you. If you say Paul daughter and you're Paul daughter.
I really like your friend them. Your friend them too common. But if you have money and willing to spend it, you can give me number, make me and him text.
He have money.
So wait there, one to him out, he could contact me that himself.
I'm kind of shy. I'm afraid you know what to this him.
Oh, well, if you have money, you just give me number, make me and him text and then we'll, I can know if you link good.
Yeah, best and don't left me out, you know.
Nah, left you out, man.
We spend and we give a whole heap of money. Remember for my percentage, you know.
Yeah, man.
Remember me set a link, you know. Me and Monty boy I run him way after.
That's our plan. But wait there. If I hear set a link, your friend if you give a piece of food to, how me you want to give you a piece of food? Want to your friend, or your friend not give you none?
In they give me but them man they rather spend for a woman more than a friend. If them man they give me a money, them man they give me 1,000 or 5 bills, them man they give me 30,000 or 20,000.
Send me number, man.
So oh you understand, man?
Yeah. You don't really get no big damage because you know already my father plumber. You do anything for you, so you like.
Plumber.
Not plumber. You know understand? Plumber what? The people who
Father
work
fix
on pipe.
pipe. Yeah.
So all plumbers work for house.
Ask about this time, I never ask about plumber.
My father the mace work with us. So anything
Oh,
happen to your house, he just fix that back in the same period of time.
oh. So you know you have money right throughout this time, current, electricity.
How we have electricity right through this time? Nobody near have no light. How you think my yard do? Special?
So me not think I get generator.
No,
Me have
sir.
generator in my yard.
No generator.
Oh, so you know collect on a care package them or eat on a Royal Central kitchen food them.
Mm-mm.
I me eat whole heap, you know.
Mm-mm.
Me eat a lot.
Mm-mm.
Right now me still have care package goods over there.
Oh my.
You can get 2 stores.
No one on me good man.
You're good.
Mm.
So your house good and everything.
Everything good man.
Family alright.
Alright. Fully alright.
Nobody no pass away.
Nobody.
Jaja. Me like
Right now I don't turn me I go buy a number yet then a Burger King.
number
So.
yet.
Yeah, so
What
me a
them
trace Burger King.
Burger. But how much money for that?
Cheap.
Number yet. What kind of burger that?
Best to miss you. Just no says a burger.
So burger name number 8. Number 8. Number 8.
How gone?
How are you there from morning?
There were for me at over here when I call me and say come check me we go up on the road to buy some and shop. Woman he said me go buy 2 eggs and so.
Who?
Woman he said me go buy 2 eggs and so.
The woman.
Yeah. That's why I couldn't come same time when I show.
I understand you and that the woman there, no, my son. Let me get up. Get to talk to you right way, because you come like you not get what me I say. Now come. Hold on there. Anyway, you know listen. I know you're a big man now and you reach a age. And you feel like I say anything come in your mind, I eat your figure, go do right away. No one say go. Not because you reach the age where you're adult now. That means you don't listen to me no more. You need to listen to me, because if you didn't listen to me, you wouldn't choose the wrong one. You understand?
I understand what you're saying. Now listen. See, she you know you don't have to cuss about her no more. She just a temporary spot to hold in my life right now. We soon get rid of her.
Temporary.
She does temporary right now.
Temporary.
Yeah.
So you don't want no woman to be permanent in your life. You want temporary. So you are what? You are gigolo? I saw me grow
I'm
you?
tired of that girl over there right now. Cause I'm tired of
No
she
one
right
to know if I saw me grow you if you walk around and have sex with Tom, Dick, Harry. Let me put in a one different way, because through your man, I think that's your sister me I talk about. So you if you walk around and have sex with Julia, Julie, Juliet, Julian, Janika,
I
Zandra.
understand. Every day he just get annoying to me. It just get worse.
Where's up?
This
What?
morning you get up, you tell me if you go buy egg. You know, get up and go buy egg and look about if me eat. You send me a shop.
Eh,
You not like them style.
You know,
Me come home, you cook, you ask me ready for you. Know, say, when me come home, you share dinner.
me fi share you out here. Alright, your woman you talk about. Which
Woman,
one
me
of it?
talk.
So be specific. Me need to
Me
know
come
where you
home
say.
one day for her.
No, because you talk to me like me know
No.
say your girl you talk about, you know. But me just want you to make the world know. Say are your woman you dey talk about when you dey talk to me. Me already know say.
Sorry about that.
So know you talk to me.
Me
Continue.
come home from work and me sit down. She'll come ask me
Right,
if me
say
ready
she,
for-
you dey chat about you this and you that. Say she.
I go come ask me if me ready for my dinner. Why you see me come home that I mean me ready for eat my food?
So hold
No
on.
cook, you cook for me.
Wait. hold on then, my son.
A foolishness that man. He just have me over and over.
No, wait, hold on. No, be real now in a real life. Remember, you know, I hate town me have, you know. And the rest of them they are foreign, and you one out here with me. And you want to tell me say I saw me grow if it grown and use people girl people. What you mean? The woman cook although me no want you fit stay with them the kind of woman they you know, but you choose. You must know. For can hear who in it belongs to the bush. Listen to me now. If your brother and sister them overseas, find out say you pick up one kind of woman like that. You know where them come tell me say? Mommy, are you this? Mommy, are you that? Cause you spoil Tugger. You spoil him. And everything we say, you say, listen, I don't spoil me spoil you. You spoil yourself. You choose who you want to choose. Me is your mother and I cannot choose the woman where you want in your life to choose. But me have to encourage you to talk to ambitious woman and woman where have sense and can cook, wash and clean. But come to think about it, because she could have been my daughter, you know. How she cook and maybe you're tired and now you come home and you can show the food. What do you mean? As she come, as you come home, she share
no
food.
Woman. When me I grew up, me never see you go to daddy and ask daddy you ready for your food.
Everybody different.
Here, see dinner.
Yes,
if
that
you
is
want
more.
yummy. That if you come give me food and say here.
Yeah, well, that is more appropriate how to deal with stuff and whatever. Me understand, but
yeah, she a wash. She wash right there. You know? She a tell me we take care of my clothes.
But you can't mix up me with them the kind of somebody there.
No,
me and your father different.
Me not mix up the woman, but she at day she a wash, you know. She come carry dirty clothes them come outside.
They you know could have carry to fit you. You could
She
have
will
carry.
take them up, but me I man I house and me I spend money.
No, come now. Be realistic now. No, listen to me now. My son, you don't take up a woman and use them like that. If she outside a wash.
Mommy, me not use her. That's what
and
a
she say,
woman
carry some
supposed to
clothes.
do. She supposed to take care of her man. Anything where her man need a yard, she supposed to take care of it.
No. You gone too far now
And
on the
so
woman
you
thing. And that's so
And
and
so
me,
my
not
father
because you is
tell
your father is a little dirty rich, that's why me have to let you drunk. Don't start me. See me there start talk to you good. Just make me stay calm and nice. And nobody trigger off my head, because you know say my head no good when you ready. Let me just talk to you normal like mother and son. You understand me? Listen now. If you and this girl there, and you know say you truly in a real life want this girl to be your wife in the future, be careful how you treat her. You hear me say? You don't pick up people pickney, people girl pickney, or girl child or whatever you want to put it. And if you can use people pickney like that. Well, if you talk to the one we're not capable enough to be a woman, a wife, a baby mother,
me no
or a
share
woman.
one. Me no share one for me. She does too much, right? Me tired of him right now. Me tired. Me can't do it no more. When me find one girl to replace him. Right
So
now.
you let me ask you something. As me did I tell you before, say no say parents not to choose who no, me not choose for you. And when you see they chat to some girl, which girl, me don't know which girl I me don't know which one of them are you, they know, you know, because when they chat to one way, me see say she not suitable enough for she me did that talk about. But if I the one way you carry around me a couple times, she look like she's a good, decent girl. Yes.
Indecent, not fair, yeah.
And if you want to go pick up crosses, like the one way you used to chat to before, when me name want run me don't tell her that the one that me they talking on me things, yeah, she did that. Listen to me. You're young and you're doing stupid. Listen. Think before you choose the wrong person. Leave me alone and go and which part they go. You hear what me say? Think before you choose the wrong person. Because me don't know how you fit take up one good woman they wash your dirty clothes them where you walk and sweat up in play football and do all kind of sick me and then as she take them and wash them and she asks if you go feed them, you can't go feed. I bet say if I want little dirty but a foot girl out the road when you used to nothing, can't wash, cook and clean or nothing at all. You wash them, you cook for her, you do everything for her.
Watch it. I see that I come in, watch it. Yeah, what me doing for? Yeah, what me doing for?
Me. Wagwan.
There.
Hi, hello.
Where you gone? Me I look for you.
You come check my mother.
Oh, me put on the egg there. You didn't know say me I come for a shop. Me slide and drop. Me slide and drop and mash the egg them. Only one left. Me drop bad and me back
So
and
me I
hurt
tell you
me.
about you see what me I tell you about?
Where she do?
How me I go eat one egg for my breakfast? How me fi eat one egg?
Me can't scramble it to look like a whole leaf. When me I
Alright,
come, me slide and
listen
drop.
to me. Come over here, so.
Yes?
Come over here, so.
There you come like God.
Listen to me.
Hmm?
Yes, when you hear, look at my son and I don't want to start this. Yes, when you hear my deep, oh, sorry. I'm my son and you know, you can hear everything when you say no, but you have to listen to continue no kind of disruptive conversation with it. You understand me here? You know, if you go too far, if you go cause no conflict. As son stay, maybe talk to him and make him kind of change.
Yeah, talk to him. But there's nothing really wrong with you.
Me know,
You just look, you just act weird from the other day.
me know. And you love him, not true?
Yeah, that's true, honey. Come over here.
Tell my mother talk to my mother.
Why am I going so? Him tell me jump on my back and hurt
I'm
me.
only fi eat one egg. Me hungry for last
So
night.
hold on there. Chew your always and your look here, Jesus.
A $500 me give him to buy egg.
Who you
Just
call
egg
him? Who you call him? Your woman?
She me a talk.
She look like so a man this.
No man, she me.
Okay, have some respect in front of me. So how you treat her behind my back? Listen to me. I love you as me, daughter-in-law, and your mother-in-law.
Yes, I know.
And you look like a very nice person.
Yeah.
So the egg they mash. And you have problem too, you're gonna have one egg. So you want me to start exalt myself, make peonize out here now and exaggerate myself and make it whole neighborhood here say, chew you always send your mouth the whole flatter egg with 30 come in when me always buy. I should do this fight and make them drop and mash so you're gonna have one egg so you vex, so you're used to one heap of egg.
You know what?
Oh,
You can't eat my one.
see there, she love you.
You can't eat my one.
She'll give fair one.
Right.
Because, let me tell you, you have to kind of understand with English still, you know. Yes, it true, me always buy the whole flat.
Mm-hmm.
And I thought the 3 with 12 come in and
Yeah.
30 come in and it, so you see it like
So
8
we
egg and
left the egg.
Oh,
8 egg
yeah.
and so, and 6 egg and then something.
Open up.
Yeah, me put it on. What gonna happen to it? Me must have my slide and drop, you know.
Then your woman drop and you're not even
See me change all my short.
She tell you which part she lick and you're not even turn on and say, alright,
Well,
sorry,
I don't
sorry
know,
baby,
sir,
or
hurt me.
whatever. You're not even a rubby fear.
Just go lie down and relax.
Alright, yeah, so come.
Why you play so stubborn?
So
You
come
don't
back.
see everything you take off of your fat.
We are go over me. We are go over. You go make your breakfast for you.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah,
Okay.
go on
Bye-bye.
and eat breakfast. This one me I tell her, Mama, it's them I sit here. She never said if she come over here, you know me over here.
Thank God she
carry
gone.
the
Hey,
egg, come
Hey,
give me.
shut up your mouth. We are talk to the people and pick me suffer. Eh? You don't like no man to take up your sister and to me never want to insult you in front of her. You cannot do that. Make it look like I say me grow you one kind of look your whole way. Eh? You and this girl there. And you treat her like you and her not there together. And what kind of relationship? What kind of relationship that you and her have? Eh? You act like you're enemy.
Because
Are you a woman?
I back and forth every minute.
So you want me to be a
every day
bad
I
mother and accept everything where they do. It is not right. You don't know when people love you. You're a damn fool. He's my son, but he's a fool. And I'm going to continue to tell you that until you gain some sense in your stupid brain.
I'm not come for that one.
Because you don't want to hear the facts. Because you feel that you is the man. You have right to treat a woman any and anyhow. That is wrong. Don't do that. You have your sister them overseas. You don't like to hear them call me now there and you be your turn already. Eh? You would have like to hear your sister come and say, Mommy, my husband and treat me this and that and to me he said me go buy egg and eat that and one left him a you like that.
At the time would I go for a friend from banana boat.
You see it?
That can't.
So what you don't like for yourself, you don't give it to others. As somebody child that and a somebody else's sister that. What you do that for? Change your ways, man. Sure.
We come to talk about how it does, what that say. And that means we are talk about different things.
You want to hear what doctor say? Eh?
Yeah.
I'm not ready to tell you, because right now you corrupt my brain. When me and I mood me talk to you about. I'm not ready to talk about no doctor
Say
right
big
now.
because
Yes. Because you get me upset. Look how you know she feels shame now? Look how you talk to the girl in front of me. So maybe she gone tell fear her mother or her friend about. And if you see how my man turn up in front of his mother and they talk to me one kind of way, but she love you, love blind you with the backside wall. I saw some of woman full. Then you not treat her good and you have to do the people
go over, because I don't want she can't give me no whole egg.
Oh, you don't want no whole egg and no one egg. Go on. Sorry
So
for
me
your
come
condition.
back contact you about
When me talk to you about the doctor, but not now, you confuse me brain. We can't talk about something one time. You already
Alright.
talk as much.
If anything you go back and call me.
Yeah. Master, I don't know where you get that dirty. Amongst your poopa, you get them the dirty style there from. Care me. Take up people, girl, pick me and one country them anyhow. So if you agree with you, not this one.
You see me know me face. What happened? Well, are you there so early?
Yeah, alright.
Yeah,
Are
man.
you me call back? I want to talk to you about something.
What you want to talk to me about?
I something about Tugger.
Tugger, what happened to him? Am I right?
Yeah, I don't really know nobody, you know. But
Oh.
it concern him, yes, but I'm mostly me.
Oh, nobody not there. Oh, well.
You know, I say, from the other day, it's like, me don't even know how it is. Like, say, they tired of me. Let me tell you, it start off small, you know. Like, you see, sometimes I want to hug him up and he might push me off. Normally, him want to hug up and kiss up and me a go road where they, you know, and me a hold on pan Tugger. And all of a sudden, flash off me hand in a crowd.
I see we saw him the tunnel from long time, you know. Tugger is a youth like this, let me tell you. Him full of love, you know, but sometimes he don't know how to show it. And him consider what people think about. So especially in a crowd and then fling off your hand, it's probably because him embarrassed and him don't want to make people, and he might just see him friend and I want him friend to see him a soft and things him a soft soul.
Say embarrass me now.
No.
But he never normally embarrass.
No. You know how man tan.
Hey, you know, say, this morning, in gas shop, it's in gas shop to go buy a gas and come wash up your clothes, you man, you know. You know, say, Tugger come back with the bread. Tugger eat off half of the bread. And he say, how he never get no egg. So I say, alright then, me we gas shop go buy egg. You know, say, me a gas shop. And me a come off for a big hill. Me know if I sleep, my foot sleep, you know. Me slide down, drop and mash the egg, and 2 no more egg left. So one he gonna go get, and me have to go get one. Me go over yard, Tugger never over there. So me walk and I look for him, right? Over your mother did end up that thing gone. Me explain to him, so me mash the egg. He might go and even feel over there. Sometimes he go on so way, you know, me feel that way, you know. But I have to pretend like say, you know, I have to still smile and put on a smile. Because I say, maybe I'll take it as a big deal when I don't want a big deal.
You have to know and understand him, you know. One thing with Tugger, from him a baby from titty, him not ramp with food, you know. Sometimes me wonder if him love food more than him own mother.
No.
So him will go on kind of way for food.
Over there in that, him mother that tell me say me have to, you know, pay no mind because that's why he love eat.
Him craving, man, he love him belly.
But what me really and truly come to you about this, because I hear me that weapon, you see if I could have talked to him for me. Could have talked to him because me really love him, you know. And the one man me ever there with. I love so much. Me love him down to earth now. Right if he asks me if he give him the whole entire world, would I give to him?
Oh Lord.
If I could have afford him, I'd give me everything what me have, me will give me, man, me love him.
You really
Yes.
fall for love. Oh God.
See,
Be happy
talk
for
to him
now.
for me,
Me
please.
I gotta try, but
Talk
you know
to
he's
him, man.
stubborn. But me I gotta talk to him because
Talk to him.
maybe it's a case him just a pre his way and him not looking into how it make you feel.
Well, we now give up on him as yet to just
No,
talk
man.
to him. I can't go over now because a long time there I wait for you. I'm not if you reach over, I don't want to feel more for me.
Alright. One thing we'll tell you, no, Kayla, tolerance. tolerant. And he's a beautiful couple. Just bear it, man. You talk to him. Bear it. And you fi talk to him too. And then if you make too much outside of coming in your relationship, you talk to him too.
Alright.
Alright.
Bye-bye.
Alright. Oh, Kayla, come
Yeah?
here. Come here. One little thing. You know me is Tugger auntie.
Right, me know.
But me and him not so close. When him did liquor, he did shot in my box one time and he split in lip. Me feel same hold me up for it. But me I can talk to him. But now make him know say you come to me. Sometimes in this life, little girl, you have to play fool for catch wise.
Alright.
So now make him know say you come to me because in private like that, he don't want too much people in his business.
Alright, then no, tell me.
Alright. Remember, play fool for catch wise.
Alright, yeah, me and like nobody tell me say me come to you neither.
No, not tell him, not tell him. Me know how to deal with them.
Alright, later.
Alright, later.
Brother,
How this a stranger?
you put about shades. A long time I don't see you.
Never know say you didn't remember say you have one brother.
Me remember why I do remember. Why you say that for?
Why? Is it from your movie in? May I tell you say you look like me no exit again. Me can't get a phone call. Me can't get a text message. Me can't get a look for. Me can't see you.
Alright, me think I pass, go up in and me say me on top and look for you. If me never
there?
see me, I go
Yeah,
straight
pass,
upstairs. But listen to what I say. Remember say, me living now with man. Me have responsibility. I have to
I
wash,
know.
cook, clean and take care of him. Me have things to do. That's why me now look for you, you know.
So me ask you a question.
Hmm?
So you try to tell me say, through your living now, you don't remember nothing about your brother. And more while you still can't come link your brother for something. So you come like you remember me when you want something.
Yes, I have to come out here and go deal with business.
Oh, so only when you want me things, then you know say you have one brother. But when you don't want nothing, you don't remember about me.
Me always remember about it, but remember say me have to wash, cook and clean and sometimes me tell me just go sleep.
Right now, me I look for you right now and you
Look
even look like my
flourish.
sister. You look what?
Flourish. Hot
You
up.
look like you not eat.
You not have to say that now.
You look
Tell
like
my
you not
talk,
eat no
man.
food. You come like a one day you get meal for. You
No,
eat in the morning
man.
you don't eat.
Take
Look for
time
you.
and talk.
You come like
time and
you
talk.
come like a grade 7 blouse this year. What kind of something them here?
This is a belly skin. Crop top. Jesus man, take time.
Boy, this man not treat you good, this man not do nothing for you, lose weight. You don't look good.
So one of the reasons why my name
Right
come
now.
over your yard, you know.
Right now
every
you and
time you
Rose
come-
could have favor.
Who?
You and Rose could have favor. My sister, you don't look good.
Ugly rose panty too.
Oh, you mean you need to take yourself about that the relationship there? You not do nothing for you.
Me know about me and my man.
Oh, you
My
mean
man
me
a
know?
treat me good. He might treat me good.
And then you have to wash, cook and clean everything and find
That's
money.
a woman job.
And then me have to give money sometime.
Because me now work.
And him not work. So my money you don't want in your mouth. Look on your hairstyle.
Me know say I want to do, me soon do it. Me know say I want to do, me soon do it. And if you talk about it.
A woman a call me can't answer her now. Look there, as a young girl, your hairstyle for you do every 2 weeks. You live with man over there.
He not really work like that, you know. That's one of the reasons I want to come over here. Every time I come over here, man, you just talk about me,
I try to
man.
teach
Me
you
not
the right.
like
Me I
it.
show you say he's not the one.
He is the one.
Are you a push love, you know? Him not push none, you know?
He love me. He used to love me.
He used to love you, so that means I not love you again.
No, he just act like a strange from the other day. When I talk to his mother and his auntie and they say sometimes he might get love, he don't really know when he might get it.
Watch you, man. You hear that?
So I have to go teach him.
You know, so I feel like say a switch you and switch you down hospital.
How?
Me no feel like mommy get you right pit. Me feel like a switch you and switch you. You can't just say man no love you again and you're still over there. So what you try do? What you over there do?
Me I make him love me back, he used to treat me nice. He just like when me I hug him up and he just kind of push me a little bit, but everything going alright.
You hear what you just say a while ago?
Me know this.
That means that the man tired of you. The man no respect you again, he no love for you again. Me glad me a go here, you know, and in a phone foolish, you know. And
Where you
next
go?
week me a fly out, you know.
Eh, so you just a tell me.
Me no have a sister. You no look like me have a sister. You not link me. You not come check up on your brother. You not call. Even if you don't link me, you will call my phone.
Me nah no credit, me can't afford credit. Every money I get me have to buy things put in the house. Like you don't understand, say me a big woman and
If my mind tell me when me a go, me left 100 US for you, but me don't want you give a man none.
No worry about me, man. Everything is a talk. I feel like you don't like me, man.
Yeah, you not move right. Yeah, my sister, I try to teach you right thing. You have your head on your body and now you come like you don't have it on your body again.
So, me a make on my body. Don't worry about that. So, you can give me some money before you go.
Me ask you a question. I mean, you lay down a sex. Eh? I mean, I been you over a night time. Me what? Me your brother. I'm not your man.
So, where you have to go on, so?
Because you move like you idiot, so me
No,
I teach
sir.
you the right thing. Me tell you if you left the idiot workless boy, we can't give you nothing. And I mean, I come beg for money.
But you come already take time and talk.
Me not take time and talk. Because when me I take time and talk, you not listen. So you come like me have to rush you for your hair.
So,
Stop asking me for money and
let
me
me
I
ask
bend you
you one
over.
little question.
And your man I do it.
Jesus Christ, man, take time.
Me have sex about take time?
You have my whole arm over there.
Look, listen, come take your backside, come out of me yard. Yeah, your man too workless.
You have to go on, so
You
my
can't buy
baby
roll
hear
arm.
you.
You can't buy roll arm. Eh?
Take time and talk.
Listen to me, I
Take
said.
time,
Take a little
man.
time and walk, go on out
Take
here.
time and talk. Jesus.
You
You
know what
shame me, man. You shame me.
No, you ashamed me now because you come ask me for roll arm.
Me and your brother say me
Oh,
must
listen.
can't ask
Oh,
you.
listen. Right now, me
Thank you.
shame you, I swear.
Thanks.
That's why me don't want you
Me
fraud.
can't go me here, cause you're just disrespectful, very disrespectful. Me link it. Remember, feel like $100.
Go on, go on, that's
Yeah?
one, go on.
Alright.
I can't believe that them are sitting here going to. I didn't sit near my sister going to. Even roll on my man can't buy. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Me. Oh boy. My dear.
Oh boy.
Tired man, I'm in lower back a hurt me because I'm slide and drop body now.
That's why you not come over come for your egg them.
No, I'm in that walk I come myself top of my brother and I'm a long time I don't talk to him, so me and it up on a reason. If I talk to him also.
Your brother?
My brother I'm top on a reason with him.
No more than him tell you not to come over here come look born to eat.
No.
For me. For me nyam.
No, my brother never said
Him
brother
not like me, you know. Me know that, you know.
But I never that would have reason about.
There is about.
We are reason about different things, family business and how am I going foreign next week and so
No, I'm going foreign.
Yeah, that would have reason about. I say, how you not tell me? I look at things that would have reason about and he give me a little chum change money. A little 550.
Give me.
Eh?
Let me buy one egg.
No, me did that. You me did get it from if buy roll and come and say roll I'm done, you know.
Oh, you get it from me buy me roll arm?
Yeah.
Roll arm good.
My roll arm good. You say roll arm done, where you go use that there
Yeah, smell me?
No, but the roll arm done. I must say me have my one in and you not have none. So now one. Take your money and buy one small, the roll, the ball one.
Let me try to get one of them.
So you're alright.
Good man.
Yeah, but me and you take a shower together.
Me not there no more.
You know they move there.
Let's go and go bathe if I bathe.
From where we not do no little touch up. Come we go in the bathroom, man.
I touch up good. How money me want right now? Me need a job, a steady job, and me can stop the go my father for your money every month. Me need a steady, me need money. You talk about sex.
If you need a job, you need to stop lying on the bed at daytime and go pan your go look at job instead of go pan your go look fit your friend, your bench and batty. And look at work. You not try for
one
work.
time me there and me head hurt me. I'm going to reason with him.
Oh, you there in the hurt you?
Ease.
In the heat in here? You go buy one new fan because the one in our work. Heat I get to your head. Because how your head feel hurt you?
I don't understand.
But yeah, go on. You do something wrong? Am I doing something wrong? Am I do something wrong?
You don't understand.
So talk to me so I can understand.
Just put it on your brain. You good.
I'm going to put it on my brain.
Put it on your brain.
See, you still want the egg?
Me you know, hear me say me fry the 2 egg them.
Oh, you put my breakfast then. You put it in the kitchen?
Me eat the 2 egg them.
Yeah, maybe I eat it. So mine.
Me eat the 2 egg them. We don't know egg not there for you. I must the bread and tea already. Straight bread and tea.
So go back to me now. Silent man. Me lick me back, you don't even look for me back. You can't treat me so.
My part, you go. I go be gaze for man, you know.
Me
You go
not get
slide
for
and
no
lick your back.
man. Me not get for no man at all. Me just a walk and me sleep. Me don't know. Probably I show my body did eat. Man, say never eat for last night. Me go like a year alone, never eat last night.
Go bed and make it go.
Alright.
I get the candles, make me stick around in my life. I'm tired of no. Me need something fresh and yo, what go on? You do make a link to me? Say Alex, what you know? Me go circle here right now. Yeah, me go circle here. Alright. Yo!
Yo, bro.
What bro, ready?
Yeah, man.
Get up and see if you look at the show.
Yeah, bro.
There's a going on now. Link, make it straight.
Straight like a Arab, bro. You don't want to a friend of me, bro. You have to straight, bro.
Alright, so me make you deal with it.
How? You make me deal with, bro. What you make me deal with? What me doing deal there? Bro, everything solid.
No man say that's why I make you deal with it.
Oh!
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Catch a part, I know. Catch a drift, I know, bro. You got love money. You got love. It's a. Alright. I explain. You can understand. Because you're slow, you know. You know, gold digger.
So she a gold digger?
Yeah, she like dig out your pocket.
No, listen to me. You see, woman can get money. So money is not really gonna be one issue. You understand?
Oh.
Money not gonna be no issue. Woman can get spend on her and then you do and then.
Okay.
You understand?
But me not talk no 5 cent, no 10 cent, and no dollar.
No man, me have me 10 cent them man.
Okay.
Me have me 10 cent them.
Before me get number, you know, dog, you don't want to mess up, you know.
Alright, since that you want me give her money for carry go
No, no, put me in a them store over there, bro. No, me no want in a them spot like that, in a situation there.
Give me a number then.
Alright, see your number.
876 354 666.
Hit that, bro.
Alright.
Yeah, me train.
I go text her and I go over so me I text her. So she know say me I go text her already.
Don't fit, bro, you need that.
You know I feel one thing man.
Me train me right.
You know I feel bro. I respect you to do this here for me in a real life dog.
Just know say oh me a drink when bro. You not forgive me, no.
Speak. Seal up. Let's buy.
Oh, bad friend.
Buy a beer. Buy a beer, alright.
Go for respect, man.
Buy a beer.
Any of them, yo, call me. You see any of them galaxy, just call me.
Alright.
What me say for
Just
you?
buy a beer, man.
What me say for you?
Carl.
Alright.
Alright.
Me can't laugh out so loud.
Blood?
You remind me of your friend on my sleep.
Oh, sorry.
When you get joke, oh yeah, watch.
Now, we have. You know, say a good style. And if you cut out this, we have
But
people
yeah,
over
laugh.
on my phone.
Yeah, last somebody joke.
No joke, no do them, man. Oh,
Let me see
you know,
nice
say,
phone.
come like, see, figure, say, me money now. Where you grab
But
my
me
phone
say,
for?
me have to see why make you laugh, so why make you smile, so.
On my phone, me can't laugh, I ain't there on my phone.
Me nah hear no TikTok couch, cause me nah hear no TikTok video, so me still want to see what I
No,
want.
yeah, do, man.
Me can't feel like one,
Best you
so.
go on back to sleep, you know. best thing you go on back, no sleep. Some don't know as you get up, you want to go in an argument. Go on back to sleep, brother. You don't know where you go. Before you're done, mash up my phone already.
I mean,
How you want to grab your mash up, drop it again and tell me say I have a purpose?
I have a purpose to phone up private time. I have a purpose.
Listen, go on back to sleep.
So when can I laugh, so?
You can't laugh.
I want to make you so happy. Not even me, not make you smile. So from the other day and something else, I make you smile. So I want to see what make you smile.
You just watch two videos now. I can't watch 2 videos.
And the video not no sound.
Me turn it down, cause you sleep.
Alright. Alright, Toga. Okay.
You better have the go to do.
Continue watching video. Me watch video together as a couple. Turn on the phone. You don't want to watch the video?
Yeah, go on back to sleep.
Me don't want to sleep. Me be a couple.
Go on back to sleep.
Turn on the phone. Watch it together.
You get up now. Go make some breakfast. Brush your teeth and make some breakfast.
So you can make some breakfast and wake up with breakfast in a bed. You sit up on the phone. And laugh. You don't want to sleep. You don't wake up properly.
Alright, you soon come back, yeah?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, me I go on the road and come back.
Alright.
Yeah, make sure me come back here and look for something, yeah?
Yes, yes. This will be up in the next 40 minutes.
Alright, next 1 hour. Can come meet me today.
I don't have a problem enough. Well, if I want to come meet me, I don't have a problem enough, but you can't come empty handed. I need money. Right now, I need a hairstyle. Right now, I need a slippers. And right now, I like one number 8. So, come with little money.
To be right when you say love money. Alright. Man, just relax, man. Money and no problem. You see it. So once you check me, you have to get that money in here and just relax. You see it. So you cannot meet me at bamboo tree. Just give me an hour time or so. Yeah? Yeah. Let's see if we can borrow money from auntie and all. Please make sure let me father go. I can't blow the first shatter. Make sure let me the money. I can borrow 15 or 130. I don't know. Let me try.
This sweet sense in me, yeah. No, without a splitting.
Auntie!
What happened?
Hang on.
Long time. Look like so you forget when me there.
No, sir. To me kind of I do something like something here and there and so, you know? Yeah.
So how you and Kayla gone?
Oh, me and Kayla alright, you know. She good. She over here, then I left her right down asleep. You know, me just say me and take a walk, look.
So hold on, Toga. You have a nice red-blooded woman in a bed, a lie down. And you there out the road? And you's a red-blooded man?
Yeah,
me know say you're a man.
She asleep. Me not go wake her up.
Oh, so you tired her out? Too much party last night?
No. You know, I say she's a girl like this. She not like party. She not like me. No meet her at party.
You know, so I no party me at all. You're a big boy now. Me can't talk to you like them things. You done her out, man.
No, man. Even at the party there, she don't really love it to that either. She'll party now and then, but not too much.
Toga, you know, say a woman she name means you auntie me I talk to you. You feel love up her man.
You mean
And if you be romantic, woman want to be held. A woman want to know say her man love her. Like how you taller than she and bigger than she.
Hold on. She come to her tell her things.
When I said that, me just a talk to you.
So how you know me not love her upon this?
Tugger.
Me I do what's needed to be done. Me I do the right thing.
The right thing, Tugger. You have, you're 19, 20 and you have young woman at lie down. Good woman too. I lie down in a bed and you dip on street. I come check your auntie. You sure say everything alright there, so you don't understand that.
Auntie me good. So it just so many times she just get an eye into me. I mean, me no want the round her feel go build no argument or no vibes. We don't want that. So me just take a little space. Breathe. My time she too clinging to. She doesn't breathe for my time. So my time if you did it, I'm up on my phone. If you just relax as a woman, your man just did it on your phone and I relax. You can't do. But yeah, I don't like that.
Mine in a Tugger. Anything serve too long, serve too master. You have a good woman there. She might be young, but me say she love you.
She good in her phone and yeah, same thing mommy I tell me about good. She good in her phone and yeah. But now see what me I go through over there.
So when she put you through, that's so bad.
Sure.
You think it's a relationship, it moves smooth every time? Relationship is rocky, man. You have to build your foundation with the girl. From you find a young girl nice like she that love you and loyal, you know, you have to like lamp to find a girl like that, you know, nowadays.
What your auntie? What you? No, I'm not come to talk about she. She good where she there. Me come say me a borrow her money for her. And that me a borrow a little change.
Hey! How much so?
Go 15 or 20.
Tugger, oh God. Tugger, you have sharp memory, baby. You remember how my ring catch you the corner of your mouth and split your lip because you never pay me back my money the last time?
You listen, auntie, you see, no, and I lie last time. No, everything different. Me will get a little work and money will come in, so me carry in your money little hard of one time. So I know you hear this person, people where you want to dump on them.
Me not dump
like
on
yeah,
them.
I say, give me money, I run in a happy.
Oh,
yeah, say, give me money.
But
you
stop.
Wait and
But stop, no sir.
Come.
That's why I not like help black people more time, you know. Melissa burial come last year. Try mash me down. Melissa come. Try finish off the work.
And I see one last year help you button up at the shop.
Me not lie about that, yes.
Help you button up at the shop
but
last
people
year.
see black people with them things and just think say come so. So when me not ramp with my money, me have to work damn hard for every penny me have. So when me help people, them for pay me back, man.
Look at auntie. When most of the time you got town go buy goods. No me only finish shop to my time. And me no charm, me no say auntie if you buy me a juice, if it me no ask you. Say me ask you something if you give me it.
So hold on.
Me no ask if you have money.
As your auntie, change your shitty diaper. Me see your thing long before you know say thing is dead. Hey? Me used to look after you. Me used to feed you. You vomit pan me, you shit pan me, you piss pan me. So me ask you for a little favor.
So me like your mama same thing, you know. Every time I bring up the same old story. Same old story.
And history.
When I grew up when I did it,
you never remind me when me ask you for things though.
Then me never responsible for myself. I only the bigger one, I don't know if you take care of me. Me never responsible for myself.
So when we are gonna get my money back, Tugger?
This about one, just give me a couple days.
Tugger, nobody make promises you can't keep, you know.
Give me 1 week then, 1 week. No longer, as a week or before I reach. Before we come, me
You
carry.
know, me not ramp when it comes to my money, you know.
Let's relax and let's relax. Yeah, I'll get him up, man. Me know say I always have little cash.
You know.
About the place, you know. Alright, 20 good, man. Alright, 20, alright, 25.
Hey, true, you're my nephew, you know, and I love you. Today Friday.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. No make Friday, I give you 8 days and 7 because you're my nephew. No make next Friday come and I have to look for you, you know.
That's cool, man, but how things do?
Alright.
Everything good though.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
Shepherd go on.
Yeah, go on, me happy, me go on. Yeah, wait
man.
for the lunchtime rush and thing.
Yeah, get back the money. I do time. I just have come match up some look a few stuff and then when the money turn over, me carry come.
Within 8 days.
Yeah, before 8 days, man. Cause before 8 days, me get a work and I do it and stuff.
Alright.
Yeah, come on, buy one look bike. Yeah, one even time right still. I work and I go get money. I go to come in. Money go to pass through. So
Alright.
we can buy a juice on the day.
Alright, when you get it, you invest it. And
Yeah,
look
man.
after that little girl, man. It's a good girl you have.
Yeah.
Alright, well,
Yeah, we're there now.
8 days.
One hour. So I know send me early still.
Oh yeah, look up there, sir.
Sure. Hi.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
So we are looking up the road.
Are you me there look up?
Oh, me take the shortcut.
Which direction yeah?
Me take the shortcut. Up the road, me live, man, but me take the shortcut.
Okay.
So, what happened?
There, I just see some more meet in a person. So
Oh.
you can get a hug.
Oh.
Yeah. Like that.
So,
Me just say me can look up pocket change there. I look at 10,000.
if you got one, me tell you something more to do. Here, me need a new slippers.
No, me must say, listen.
Me need a number 8.
Alright. Me need all of them something the rate here. Remember say we just start text and talk.
So when me I get
So
ready?
me want to know is if we confirm say within our relationship.
You see that now? Me have to see what you're capable of. Me have to see if you can help me in a life before me agree to go in a
Alright.
relationship with you.
Give me an account number. Me just say now 20 more.
When I go up, I send it. I don't know what's on my head.
Alright. Me say no man, alright. So which part about the place you live?
That now, just I'm taking shortcut. I can't give too much information.
So
And we just start talk. You have to give me a couple days, a week and so.
Okay.
So where you live? You live with your parents or live by yourself? Because I really like man to live with them parents, you know.
So me and me want a place.
Like when me ready for water, my garden, me can just come and let it myself. Me not have to tell no mother good evening, good night.
None of them things. Me live by
Because
myself.
I really like in-law hypocrite.
No, my mother is straight
Your mother,
forward.
so she's straightforward to you. She may be hypocrite to me.
Oh.
Yeah, so.
Oh, you're nice though, you're sexy and nice.
Yes, you like how I dress?
Yeah, me like your dressing.
Oh. So.
When we talk, you can switch up your dressing.
You see that now? No man no rule me. I don't like that. No man no rule me, and me run me show.
Oh.
Yeah. Because if me rule you know, but I tell you say you can't come look for me in a church pants. Because them the pants there for 90s, 80s people. With the multiplier pocket.
You know
and
what
don't
brand
business what brand or how much
this
for
a
it.
Dickies.
Well, I like my man them in a polo. Understand? Them slippers, them I really like them slippers. Them slippers they some fraud slippers. I like them slippers. I like my man name brand. And name brand that?
Shirt. You know how much of them shirt there?
I'm not really business. The shirt can't go on. I just the pants and slippers I like.
Well, anything can change.
Yes. I like you trim like a young boy. You got a church?
No.
Somebody like a them church boy, like a play drum.
Yeah, do.
You like a drummer
Me
boy.
usually
Them,
do them something when me younger.
so you know my bestie from?
No, me always see your friend come check my friend.
Oh, Shanti?
Yeah, me did see you one time. So me I say, and the one time I see you, me did like you.
Oh, so you have a woman? So
No.
I like when man them be straightforward, you know.
No, you would have been my woman now.
Oh.
Yeah, me no have no other woman.
You want me to be a personal woman?
Yeah.
So you can manage me to be a personal woman? Me
Yeah.
eat a lot, you know.
Money ain't any problem.
Money ain't a problem.
Just calm, man. Money ain't any problem. Long as you got me, me got you.
What would me if you got you would know?
Any little thing you can give me.
Huh?
You understand me I say?
Huh?
But anyway, we soon talk about that.
Oh.
When the time is right, we sit and we talk about it.
When the time is right. You hear me say? When the time is right.
Yeah, so when I go up now,
Yeah.
play a move.
Can't no, you not have to touch me, not really
So
like.
when I go home, you text me and
No, when me
number.
go, me send an account and you just say, check your account, baby, and me just see
Yeah.
money. Alright. So how long that I take you now?
Not take long, man.
Because I want to go in the town, you know.
That not take me long. I just say I just go up on the internet. So.
Alright. So me I go home.
Yeah, man. Okay. Yeah, man.
I like your color one.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, at least I want something that smell nice.
Yeah. Sexy body. Give me that one there now. Every word.
Sis, sis, you alright? You miss a bit yourself.
Yeah. Oh, thanks.
Look good, man. Look good.
You know, look good, guys. The way I'm gonna sit there and clean up and bun up and dash it, they look nasty.
No, man. You ever walk? You ever walk?
Tired, look there now.
Oh.
I have to go wash my hand.
Gosh. You good, though? Me just want to come check you. Come check and see if you're alright and everything. I want to make you know a thing. Toga come to me earlier and come borrow money from me. A piece of food. Me just come to you, my sister. I remember the last time he borrowed from me. I forgot to him for my money. I box him. I ring catch him lip and bust it. I remember how you deal with me. I want that again.
Now go up, man. Now go up. What your problem? How much money you lend?
He might say 20.
My sister, I know say never, but you really take up 20k and give.
Len.
Oh, okay, sorry. Lend. Lend him. Where am I get it back from? You don't know say now work. Why you never ask me first? You don't know say you not give no more money. Thank you, you just bring up say you remember the last time. And you really do it again?
No, man. Him can't do that to me again. Him learn. You see, when they come to my money, sis, me and my money in a ram. Melissa do me bad. Beryl do me bad. Me thank you no. Everybody pull together and help me build back up my shop and my house.
No, your son, so like,
me
oh, no,
can't
understand.
ramp with my money.
No, oh, your son, so. Your son, like I say, you go unalive your one and nephew
No.
because of 20 grand.
No, but him know me can't ramp with my money.
No, I know.
Business a business.
You should have known
family.
better. You know him not working.
Family
Why
a
you let
family. Him
No.
tell me say him having movements I do. You know them young people.
Me not
do.
say you should lend him. I your nephew, you can lend him 1 more million times, but you know him not working now. And you know the situation before. Why you lend him again and him not working?
That's why-
And me not have it back figure right now. So I problem me the run from sister. Nah, get to me and say, listen, me never say you should lend him, you know, but you should have just hold on first when you're sure saying they
Hold
do
on.
something for work and
So-
give you back.
So there's
Then
no
you
way
lend
I'm
him.
gonna be able to pay me back in the week. Him promise me
Me I
then.
know God, me can't say nah go give you back. Me just tell you something for you understand. Say, why you never just wait until he, you know, like him a work. You should have just wait until he get a job then you, I don't know.
Toga no.
evening.
Hello, good evening, baby. Alright.
Yes, but I wonder if Toga they over here.
I don't see him, my love. Me should have asked you with my son there.
If I tell you a lie, I tell you from this morning, I wake up and me and my giggy and I laugh on the phone. And I left out here and soon come back. So I think over here in the day. From morning, I don't see him.
I don't see him either.
So man, I don't know.
Me think you, guess what? Me think you come to come tell me, say, the two of you soon get married.
Hey, they go buy my hat.
And start giving me grandchildren and stuff like that. You couldn't ask for your man. If you know your man, my daughter. He's my daughter-in-law, you know. So you have to say you're my daughter.
Yeah, but we not get married yet. You not propose
No,
yet.
that's what me think say when about to tell me just now. Because I know me and my sister, you know. So that well ready.
Oh God.
If you come at that, they cut me like wedding cake, you know.
Well, so I did say you're ready to marry yet.
And listen, I need you and my son to just hold one conversation about having children. I need many grandchildren and great-grand. So guess what? If you don't mind, if you could have 23.
Special number that's in a sis.
Look here. You know, hear me and talk to your phone. Why you have on the light on your phone?
Oh, we never to say
Let me tell you, say you're my son. Could I sit down and have a conversation by having a lot of children? Because me want a whole heap of grandchildren and I'm going to tell you if the amount, about 23. Yes, and then now we grow up and give me a lot of great-grandchildren. Because you look like a nice girl, you look like you can breed a lot and have a lot of children, you know.
But 23.
23 is a lot, you know. So you have a whole heap of grandniece and grandniece.
Me not think we can push out 23. That's whole heap. Probably
no, you're not
4.
started. You don't know. God is in control. God will give you the strength. A lot of
need
people
so
have more
much
than
finish.
that.
But as me last
No, my son, that work. I have to mind them and me there. I mean, my sister and me, we take care of them. Yes.
But what me last I do, right? Me and Tugga, not really soon have them the conversation.
Me know, that's why I say, if you start hold them that kind of conversation, they start it, man.
Talk me, I think Tugga ready for no picnic yet.
Why?
He always use protection. If he didn't want picnic, he use protection.
Yes, because guess what? Me between now work now. See, they go borrowing auntie money, and right now he must have the back to give him auntie. Make him auntie no see him from man in need of me. So me don't know if I was thinking to forget it back to come game. So you're right. Maybe he's not ready for no children yet, cause he don't really have it.
How borrow money from you?
He borrow money from me today.
Today?
But that's a well earlier.
But Tugga don't need nothing to do with money. I need money for.
Me no know, but all me know saying better pay me back. Or the other side
so
they
when the last time me see you and you did come over here. Do you remember the last time you come over here?
Yeah.
I went that again.
2 days ago.
Yes, and he might chat about the egg. How the egg them drop mash and sit.
A long time I take up
He never come in and no argument with you about the egg.
Good,
No.
good. Give thanks.
We never no argument.
A while ago, me nearly duck on you, know. But me feel like say one hour soon as I come back.
Hey, I catch make you show your face.
Not really.
Okay.
So you see I talk to your in-law, you know.
Have a family member?
No, girl. This man is my man.
Oh.
Mine and only.
Oh.
You never have to explain yourself because first of all, you're in a deep shit. I told them no.
What you talk about me in a damn shit? Shitting on the yard?
What do you mean?
Girl, you're bright!
You say me in a deep shit and me not see it?
Not physical shit.
Oh.
What do you mean? Spiritual shit?
You say nobody no want her.
Me have a man.
Hey, what do they talk about?
You don't realize say your daughter-in-law this.
What do they say?
Listen, let me teach you something. Step daughter-in-law, right?
Step, horse, whatever you want to call it,
But-
your daughter-in-law, your woman.
But
Look here.
she have her own son. I don't know her own son mine. Her own son mine and upon him.
What you talk about? Step daughter-in-law have step on it?
Yes!
Backside. And not just daughter-in-law step.
Wait, we are
So what kind
talking
of
about?
foolishness them are talk about?
In drunk.
Step daughter-in-law. Force me hear that.
If I ever tell her I see you shock.
I want him
Oh, yes.
me eye burn me, you know.
Me I left that for another day. Another man that want about. Listen me, you're young.
Yes. I mean have a man. You mean by the man I want me?
You're young, but me don't know if you're fresh.
Me
So-
fresh. Me hard working and me wash, cook and clean and put up
Where
with
they talk
everything.
about?
Huh?
Where they talk about now?
You're young,
Take time now, you go make
but me don't know if you're fresh.
Me fresh, me tell you me fresh. I say no but me I tell you.
But she
You
look
taste
fresh.
yourself.
She look fresh.
No, me beard.
So how you know if you're fresh?
She fresh.
Come
Me
me
never
fresh.
say you're not beard. Me say you're young, but me don't know if you're fresh.
Me fresh. Me man there with me so me fresh. If I that they fresh they are talk about.
You don't talk about dumbness, sir.
What you talk about it?
Woman thinks that all is the part of my mind is tongue, this sir.
I lie.
So why you
Huh?
come about?
I lie.
No!
That's what I
money.
talk about.
You mix up?
Listen me.
That me they talk about too.
We don't care about the front. Ask she how long me and I have sex. We don't care about
Oi,
the front.
oi, you chat too much.
You have to tell them the
You
truth.
talk too much. You chat too much. This is my sister.
Mm-hmm.
And then sister don't need to know for me and your business.
We lay down and hug up at night time and we talk and play with one another.
Alright, gone too far now.
Okay.
TMI.
So you hear what me I say now?
Yes, it's okay.
You know what is TCL?
Yeah. Yes. Me know why be.
You don't know what
Let me
TCL
tell you
be.
why be. Tell him.
Tender loving king.
No, man, I TLC that day.
You tell him again. Tell him
Now me
again.
have to turn it round.
Tell him again. Then.
Where you going and say that for? You chat too much.
Tell what happened when talk
said
when talking
I'm
Ah, so if you know what is
I tell you no.
TCL.
I tell you no. You didn't hear that pronounce. I said no, I don't know. Tell me what is
Turn
going
it
on.
round.
Too cute to lose.
Yeah.
Oh, you tell me something ugly?
Did I say your favorite barracuda down in the deep?
Jesus
I never said
Almighty
that.
God.
I never said that.
Where you get this
Yeah,
your
that's so you tell
Where you get this your man
From
from?
time me buck you don't
No,
want to
son,
run
no.
Me
back.
tell you, who tell us say Toga don't want me? Toga want you. He don't want you. I mean want.
Hello. Come on now.
Him come and
You
disturb
fish
me.
line the way you're going in and nobody with it. This is my man. And you know giant fish.
You don't know what that.
Teach me, I teach them a young girl. I
Fish.
say.
You know, of course, like my woman. Every time he's want to
A
argument with young
man
people.
do not only interested in what you have between your legs.
Me never tell you that he interested in her.
Because plenty out there.
Me never tell you that he interested in her.
We can get plenty out there. We can put on few in our yard and reserve and go out there go get it. You understand? So plenty out there. We don't care about that.
What more thing I could have want? I wash, cook, clean. I pay the bills them most of the time. So tell me what more I could have want in a life. You don't do nothing. One thing do I get up.
Yeah, that is the next thing again. You could have even watch the whole universe, yeah, man. That can't stop you from losing. This make you cook
Yes.
and you cook good.
Yes.
Food no salty, no fresh, no complaint.
No complaint. If you complain with the eating, always.
The bed life good?
Yes.
Look here.
You have a problem.
We have question
My
the
problem.
people them.
Me I come here, me talk and talk to you.
I'm just a chat for hearing advice.
Your son no want her.
I know for your son.
She's like her.
Eh? My son no want her. Your son want her?
Not until me do the DNA. Me
Me
can't
say,
choose
my son don't want her.
Yeah.
For your son want her because me want to know if I know he said son.
Okay,
No,
my
and I see him son you talk about.
When me do the
My
DNA,
son is not your son.
Me take him fully.
Oi.
I
know
know
for your
father
son.
want this into
So, I know you talk a father.
into brown.
Sis, where you get him from?
No,
Back
listen
up
to
first.
But
Must see.
tell her say his son too black.
Hey, black is beautiful. Where you
No,
going with
no,
that?
no,
then?
no.
You are what?
Come here.
Me I come
Nobody
home
run
now.
down
here.
my color
Come
here.
out of his son.
When you use the
Come out of
same
his son.
color,
Come
me
out
just
of-
deal
no.
with that.
All right,
Come out of this
Me
son.
I come go
And
home now.
come
Me I
No,
come
no,
go
no,
home.
no,
Here.
man.
I'll see you
No, I
tomorrow.
me get one.
Boy.
Me I go home now.
Me get one.
Why you want? They're coming just like me brother.
Just come by nice, empty
What?
Me
barrel.
half son, full son. Me no know which one they call it
Yes.
yet until the DNA comes.
Right.
The half full son.
Yes.
Now why? And my blood. So me know what my blood want.
Okay, you don't want me. As
Just
you
like-
don't tell me yet. Whenever you tell me say you don't want me believe
That
that
is
you
right.
listen.
Now take it from third source.
Let's try to show you something. Me and me
Not even know me anymore.
Jaja.
me and me spouse.
Yeah, woman.
We spouse.
And a wife no more.
She a widow, but she never tell her. We divorced. But we still sleeping at the same bed.
Oh, you
check
feel
too much,
information, so.
Because she, you see this a John, yeah? When this a John, I read the Kita Ross.
I will see you tomorrow.
Tomorrow, baby. Nobody making corrupt here.
Yeah.
Control it.
No, nobody hide behind me.
Woo!
watching my sister. And where him come from? Wait till I catch you. If you think you're bad, come out here. Wait till I catch you. You see you chat too much? Everything about me and him.
Jaja,
This
no sir.
man
It was
tell
today,
everybody.
man.
That's why, you know, say I go and leave him. I go and leave him at anytime my son come here. I go and tell my son, say, me and your father go and left before December done. Come on, we can follow you go off.
You're playing too much, man.
Yeah, yeah, bro.
Yeah, man, everything good.
Yeah, man, everything active.
You say you get reach out to more.
Yeah, bro, I'm going to go and tell her. I'm going to grab her. That I'm come to go and tell her, you know.
Me link, oh man. When am I going?
I tell Mama say we link up and him I say, yo, I bet you link with empty handed and real. I say, what you know? You know link empty handed.
Right.
You don't know that. I say, just check my man about my tree, man. Now we can get a piece of food. And then we go over my tree. First I got a machine and see it and I just draw 120,000 and say, Ray, link up. And we go up by bamboo tree. Now we see Mama forward. And so I did them. Mama come and get a hug and say, Mama firm, man.
Yeah, like a hassock.
Mama firm. You know when people before be look out and you know move.
Even Melissa can't move it.
Firm, I say, I'm get a hug. And me and I did that reason. So till we give her money and she said she want more money. I said, send me a account. I may transfer some more money. But first I tell her, I say, so we just start talking.
So question,
you
I'm not really cutting about question. I hold 20 grand a year.
Yeah.
Oh, you're a good boy, man.
We just give her and say, yo, do a match. At first time we are meeting, so you know want the thing look away. Water down.
Good mage.
Yeah.
I'm not a leash.
Yeah.
Rated for that, bro. But what you know, make sure you're not you know. And a woman can bring by your yard to a wife up, you know, bro.
Eh?
Knock it, bro. If you can't get 1, 2 knock or 1, 3 knock, you're cut.
Alright, may I do that, man?
Cause a girl will drain you, know, bro.
No girl can drain me.
No care
I'm
where
going to drain himself.
That's true, still rated.
I'm going to drain himself. I fear, how over you this over here?
Yeah, man, I'm a little son, man.
Eh, no. Boy, go on in. Go on in, see me father raise it.
Go on in, man.
Go on in, boy.
Bring it in.
Go on in, man.
Go on in, man.
Boy, it's a big man that raise that. Judge. Boy, not that girl still.
Yeah, bro.
More, she link up on the black man.
Oh, you mean, man, I knock you, bro.
Yeah.
Bro, how do you know what kind of knock me at that, bro?
You know what you see, man? You know what you talk about, bro.
Oh, yeah, knock
You
you,
know
bro.
what knock it.
How you gonna knock it?
Me have to hold them reason with them about me and that.
You don't want to feel me, no, bro. You don't
Nah,
want to
feel me.
spend $1 money on the girl.
No, man, this is just the start.
Start. Why?
Nah, spend no more really.
If you call 20,000 start, and you know, knock it. Imagine you finish.
No, man, relax, man. I'm smart. You know me. You know me, I do that. I'm going to get up this morning. I'm going to text the mama for but I feel me, man. Where are they putting a phone?
It's bright thing.
I come grab food. Me say, oh, you know what you do? No, what you do?
When they even want some time for you move on in time soon.
Yeah, you never know. 13 time I expire. Meantime I wind down slowly but surely.
Soon take that off our shelf and dash it.
Anyway, I go over there and stay go all relax.
Why? You're right.
Yeah, man, I'm say me go knock it. Whenever me knock it, man, I go and make it know. Yeah.
Ah, bro.
Ah.
Hello? Trish.
Hello?
I go on, you take some friends here for now, you do.
Me not do nothing.
So, you don't get free, give me free percentage.
Okay, what?
Out of 20 grand, me say get.
Which 20 grand?
So, the boy don't just left from me and tell me say he get 20,000.
Oh, your ugly friend?
No, let me done, man. No, let me done.
Your friend don't give me no money.
God no.
I swear.
What a boy lie. About to get 20 grand.
He give me something, but I don't know big money. I know so much.
Oh, so me can't get from look.
And that me I tell you, say I don't know big money. And me take it by ear for do me here. Instead of sending account number, but I know me not see him send no money.
So I kind of broke niche that.
No, I know you so telling if you know I kind of broke me, give me.
Probably I hide something from me, you know.
Nah, it's not man. When me get him, I make you know.
Alright, then, no say alright. Yo, that girl I want generally, you know. No, my friend will give me 20 grand, you know. And she had tell me that she don't get nothing much. And she don't get a 20 grand. No, them girl are wicked, them wicked. I don't know how them wicked, but them wicked.
Glad me see when they turn your head back and they look down there so you act like I say you see me. What?
Never see.
Me invisible.
Me there look. See
Hold on.
somebody.
See anybody the road clear when somebody be sitting up and I people them shop. Where they come from?
Me go check somebody.
You go check somebody.
Yeah.
Where you love cause problems so toga? Why you make my sister come over my yard come tell me again, you know, cause you do it already anyway if you bust your mouth. Again, so you come borrow money from her and guess how much you take your bride self borrow to no? Not even $1,000 or $2,000, 20 grand. You working?
Me go start out, me go do that little thing. Me forget one little work. So me I say, when they call me, then cause they no call me yet. When they call me, me go work and then me can give back the money.
Me know say your auntie, but me ask you one question. When you go over your auntie yard, you had your barrett her up on road, I don't know, but wherever your barrett
me go check her over shop.
Oh, shop. Okay.
Yeah.
When you go there, did you explain to your auntie and make your auntie know that you're not working and she's not going to get back the money for me and she know you know no problem? Because me no tell them chunk for me foot me and my sister that cause because you know boy.
Me tell her say give me a week or two for me can
How
give
much
back
do you
the money.
know since you borrow it?
Today, this morning early, me go check him.
Alright.
So me don't know where I come to here for and I make.
No, she never come to me the quarrel, so me not go tell no lie upon her. And me no want yarn her have done. So no, but I go back to my sister and go say me say when me never say.
No, me not.
She never they come quarrel, right? She just a simple say, I hope she get back her money when the time come.
She go get it back, man. Me nah.
I never tell her say you not get it back, but me know you not work, so me I wonder where you go get money from.
No, I mean I say last week they drop off an application and then tell me say they will call me. So me I say I can borrow money now because them a go call me.
You just well,
Them
you
a go
just
call me.
drop off application last week.
Yeah.
The people they not even call you to tell you whether
No, me
the-
positive say me go get it right.
Mirati.
Long as say
So
long
they
as you have faith, everything will work out for
remember you
you.
not no qualification. So more want to know how people they no call you to tell us if vacancies there and we need XYZ amount of people and you are one of the chosen people. So you have to come in XYZ time and XYZ date. You know take enough self. I don't care for your auntie go and borrow money and you not get job yet. Boss it.
Me go get
Boss it me say. Yeah, jacket. You could never be my pitney and so stupid. You're mad. You could never be my child and so stupid. Hey, Toga, me no grow no idiot. Your sister and brother them they overseas and me know they no fool so. Then worst thing again. You don't know what happen. Your girlfriend come. After my sister come, your girlfriend come. They ask where you there. Toga over here. Toga over here.
every minute me move say a girl a walk and look for me. Me look for me for.
What you mean?
Like say me.
Then hold on the X out there. Me knows everybody knows say me and your mother already. Cause me could never do with a little boy like you. You is my son. And even if you are not my son, me not do with nobody your age. X out the mother and the mother and son thing you know. Carly say you don't know me. If you was my man, you could have taken from one call look for you and ask you. From you my man, me have right to ask
One
you.
moment.
From you my man, me have right to look for you. What your problem to the girl come up and me yard come ask you? Me or mother-in-law use my son.
Me get up this morning and she see me on my phone. And me I watch one little video. Yeah, I go say, when me get up at my phone and laugh.
Where I say you a go say me did it? She a go say.
No, she me a
Okay.
talk, she a say, me the palm phone and laugh, what with me there. Me I say, my phone, you don't need to do what
Well,
me
the
I do
part
on my
there,
phone.
me not go in night.
So
That's
me
a phone no
just
love
say-
life thing.
Me just tell her, I say,
No.
me I go up on the road and
Dex
come
over
back.
pure foolishness. I will
But
kind
me kinda,
of
me go check somebody and me kinda tie up, so me not get to go over back from
So
morning.
cause make I walk up and down so. Till all your woman a look for you.
No,
Your
me-
auntie not see you from morning. Nobody not see you. Not even me not see you first. Me not see you from morning. How
No,
walk?
me dey go stop over yard, man. So me dey say, like how me see her now, if me coulda get one
Which
pound of rice.
Which rice is the chat boy? I think me never hear what you say. You come back and repeat yourself. Which rice? Look here, you a big man now. Should have mind me as your mother, you know. Me can depend on your
Me-
sister and your
me
brother. Them
sister,
overseas
you know
all the
me
while.
love
If you
you
send one
already
little change. Me
and
know say you love
everything.
me because you need something from me. Yeah. Uncle when you need something from me, all of the love coming out. Yeah, me know them kind of fake love there. Spit it out,
I
Toga,
don't
spit
feel
it
love,
out.
mommy.
See what your
know
father used to do me when
me
you want to go
last
front.
Son.
Oh baby, I love you.
Yeah, me your last son
Me
and
know,
always
yes,
used to call
wash
me,
belly.
me gone to you.
But you take off of your father. Because when you want to go front from me and son come, baby, I love you. And you know, and friend me up and want to go front. And then get in, drop asleep. Boop.
That's one pound of rice and we have no chicken.
Oh, you hungry so all the while. When you come over me yard 2 days ago, the amount of sickness when me give you, you name them off already?
No, me carry go over. And she look about them.
I don't understand where you're
So
going.
me
in
I
a feel
tell her
like.
say that girl and the right girl for me.
One night, right, girl. You come back with the same foolishness
as me
again.
carry over his names to name them.
Me not believe you. That
Sometimes
maga girl,
me
they
tell
can't
her
name
cook
so much sickness.
1 pound of rice
Hmm.
and she cook all 2 pound of rice spoil. She no name of it.
You lie. Me feel say you have worm. You have worm, Tucker. From you used to live over me yard before you say you're gone for your own gone live with woman. You used to name out the food them. You have worm. You have worm. Now you want me to blame the girl through you and her day and you don't want her. But now worry yourself. You see what goes around, come back around. You see you make the girl fall in love with you and you know you never want the girl. Go on, you not stop until you pick up crosses. But
Me
remember
never
me
know
there.
so-
Father God, make me live to see the crosses when you pick up and care cup. But me not own no more daughter-in-law. Because this girl we have now is a good girl and you treat her bad. You're an idiot. You not have to pick up till you pick up crosses.
Me not treat, me a treat her
Sometimes me
bad.
have to wonder if they obey you. Curse upon you. I'm a matter of fact. Me just a think something. The money where you borrow from my sister, the 20 grand, what you do with it? When can I go buy the rice out of it?
No, me want that money there to do something.
Eh?
Me want it for do.
Oh, so you still have it? Come,
No,
give me.
me not have
No,
it.
give me,
Me
let me
not
go
have
give
it.
back my sister cause me no want you and her have nothing. She went thump you already on the
Me
ring.
tell her the truth.
Bossy.
I
I know you come back again.
want one girl asked me to help her out did
Eh?
one little situation. Me just say me a
One
give.
girl. Ask your fee. Eh? One girl. So you go borrow money from your auntie. If you go
No
help
man,
girl
me,
in a
me
situation.
like that girl man.
Oh.
Me think say she a go be the one. She nice, she sexy.
Yeah.
She a go be the nice.
So you take money from your auntie if you go give girl. So enough time when you come over my yard, go ask me for food and money and anything that girl they go give. And if you want your yard that did for you hungry.
No, me and she just start talk.
And you just start talk to her and you give her how much money already.
No, me.
Boy, if you make me call for my sister and tell her this a story, you're not go like it. She not let no more money again you me tell her. Don't make me tell her.
No, me just go school, man. Me just want. Me I just go up and collect the rice. Collect the rice.
Go on over me, I'll go get the rice. Go on. Cause you have this one, me still pay.
Me no juice, no fit me cabbage.
Yeah man, take it man, take it. Take it.
Alright.
Yeah, take it, watch you. Watch you too. What you going to my sister go and borrow money? Wait man, you see any you no find back that damn blasted money they give me sister? You will hear. You will hear.
Hello, listen. You see when me tell her this.
Oh,
Where you walk and look for me for? Me last?
no, true, you gone from morning.
And what? And what? Where
Yeah,
me
we
gone
know.
from morning?
You gone from morning.
Girl,
We can't do this, yeah.
girl.
We can't
You
do
know
this,
you
yeah.
agree with me every single day.
What me agree with me? I tell you, me this.
When you go over my mother, I tell my mother my business for.
Me never tell
Me
you.
not like when people in my business.
Me never tell your mother we business.
So yes.
Me just go by me say to her, say, if he see you because you left out from morning, that
Girl.
smile on the phone.
Girl, it's you see if I need one thing, mama text me and licking
calm
it.
down, B. Calm down. You don't feel going to calm down now. Calm down. You want food? Me cook.
Every single day you grieve me. All this man, you know me feel. You're gonna tell me, man, but who in there for? Who in there for?
Not you that smile.
And what if me a smile? What if me a smile? What if me a smile?
You don't say for bun your dog give me. You don't feel going to be sorry.
Every day you get.
Me sorry.
So I don't want to put myself in a trouble for you, girl. Look out for me, man.
So me give me a guan, so.
Come on, you think man a pick me?
Me never
You can report to my mother. Tell my mother my business, girl.
Me just go ask her if she's
But
still.
when me there from morning, that's my woman a walk and look for me.
Me a gone from morning and I don't know which part you're there.
Girl, it's if I mean your boss said do that Pepsi. Don't do that again, yeah? Don't do that again. Don't do that again. I don't make my mother I even start my business to me auntie.
I'm gonna make a dog your business.
You see you? You see you? But you move out of my side. I'm going to text you.
You call me brother.
Call your brother and you think your brother can't do me nothing. You think say your brother can't do me nothing. Idiot. I'm tired of you now, man. Every day I see same thing. Tell me soon you're scary me new girl.
One gone and next one born. New girl in my life. Warm to you. Warm to you. Warm to you. Warm to you.
My man beat me.
The man do what? Beat you.
He hit me on my head.
Nice. You know you.
Don't
You
do
know
me.
boss. You know boss.
No.
What a
I
good
don't
thing
do me
for
go
the
look.
Jamaica youth.
You see, he left out here and I'm trying to go ask him and if me say, come over and him and beat me. Me have to talk to him.
You know say nah listen though. Me tell you a long time for left him and you still over there with the man and the man not give nothing you know.
But that's why you talk to him. No,
Talk
like
to
him,
who?
no, just talk to him.
You think I talk show this? You want me go over there go talk to him? Yes. You come like you're mad for mad. Boy can't lick my sister and me go over there go talk. You think I quote this? Come on.